your trading to the next level with Chakri Views, where precision meets power. Every week, we meticulously analyze market trends to uncover exclusive high-potential opportunities. We don't just offer tips, we provide a winning strategy to navigate the markets with absolute confidence. Ditch the guesswork and embrace precise trading. Subscribe now for only 4,999 rupees for NSE or 7,777 rupees for MCX. This is your opportunity to invest wisely in your financial future with our premium trading calls and expert analysis. In this report, you'll see a snapshot of our trading calls from 10th March 2023. We are showcasing real trades, real results, and the power of our data-driven approach. Notice the detailed trade entries, target prices, and exit points. We provide clear, actionable information so you know exactly where to enter and exit trades. And yes, we show both wins and losses. Transparency is key. You might see a loss of 90,714 rupees here. But remember, this is based on single lots and single targets. With the right strategy and risk management, you can maximize your potential and minimize your risk. We are not just giving you numbers, we are giving you the tools and insights to make informed decisions. We are here to help you achieve trading success and earn big profits. Now we are proud to showcase our impressive trading calls from 11th March 2023, where we achieved an outstanding profit of 1,04,357 rupees in just one day. Our strategy covers a diverse range of markets with pinpoint accuracy in entry and exit points. You'll find detailed information, including stop-loss levels, target prices, and the final exit value, everything you need to succeed. By employing the right strategy and managing risk effectively, you can truly maximize your potential while minimizing your risks. MCX Gold and Silver and COMEX Silver have successfully surpassed the second target levels, and we focus on the first target levels for profit calculation, but open to the clients to make more of it. Now take a look at our trading views from 12th March 2023. You'll see a loss of 87,513 rupees. Yes, trading has ups and downs, and we are not afraid to show you the losses. This is a crucial part of understanding the markets and managing risk. We are trading a diverse range of instruments, but even with careful analysis, losses can occur. We provide you with all the information you need to understand each trade. Transparency is paramount. This report highlights the importance of risk management. Even with well-planned trades, losses are possible. That's why we emphasize setting stop losses and sticking to your trading plan. Now looking at our trades from 13th March 2023. You'll see a loss of 42,470 rupees today. While nobody likes to see red numbers, we believe in showing you the full picture. Trading involves risk, and we are here to navigate it with you. We are trading across multiple markets, and even with careful analysis, losses can occur. It's about how you manage those losses that truly matters. This report shows you the reality of trading. Not every day is a winner. But with our precise and premium strategies and our commitment to risk management, you can minimize losses and maximize your potential for long-term success. We are sharing our trades from 14th March 2023, a day when the markets were open only for a limited evening session due to Holi. Despite the shortened trading day, we managed to capture a profit of 85,814 rupees. This demonstrates the power of our strategies and our ability to identify high-potential opportunities, even with limited market activity. We focused on quality over quantity, delivering strong returns with a concise set of trading calls. This report shows you the efficiency of our trading strategies. Even on a day with reduced market activity, we were able to capitalize on opportunities and generate significant profits. We are not just showing you the numbers, we are showcasing our ability to adapt and deliver results in any market condition. We are here to help you achieve consistent profitability, regardless of the trading environment. Let's dive into our weekly summary for the period ending 15th March 2025. This slide showcases our trading performance, featuring 45 calls with a thorough breakdown of buy and sell actions, hit ratios, and profits and losses. While the net result indicates a loss of 30,527 rupees, it's important to understand that trading involves both wins and losses. At Chakri Views, we take pride in our transparency, presenting you with the complete picture, not just the successful trades. We equip you with critical details that empower you to make informed decisions. Although losing days can be challenging, maintaining focus on long-term strategies is key to achieving consistent profitability. With our expert analysis and precise trading calls, you have the knowledge and tools needed to navigate the markets and thrive as a trader.
Kind attention to all, equity investments involve 100% market risk. It's crucial to consult your financial advisor, as I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This channel serves educational purposes only, and the admins are not liable for any financial losses you may incur. By being part of this group, you acknowledge the inherent risks of the stock market, MCX, and any kind of investments, and no legal claims will be entertained. Thank you.